Good day, and welcome to Hiroshima University's English Podcast.
Hi everyone, I'm Kay.
And I'm Joe. We hope you're having a great summer.
皆さん、広島大学のポッドキャストをいつもお聞きくださりありがとうございます。今月はこれまでの優しい英語会話のエピソードから厳選した超濃縮版をお届けします。
Yes, let's listen to some of the best episodes from our 優しい英語会話. Get ready for fun, everyone. Here we go.
Yay!
Boy, this food line is pretty long. Hey, I have a magazine on me. You can read it while we wait.
Okay. Looks like a kid's magazine. Yeah. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled... Ah!
Michihiro, what are you doing? What are you muttering about?
I don't understand what on earth this magazine is talking about. First, it was talking about seashells, then a woodchuck, and now pickles.
Oh, those are different sets of tongue twisters, Michihiro.
Tongue twisters? What are those?
I'm pretty sure most languages have them. It's a game to see if you can say or repeat a short, funny phrase without messing it up.
Oh, I do know those. These ones are hard, though.
They're fun. Here, I'll read one for you. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Wow, that's amazing. Hey, do the seashell one.
Okay. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Hey, you're so good at this. I can't do any of them.
You were just speaking too fast. Here, try reading this one slowly.
Okay. Peter Piper picked a Ugh.
Try going slower, Michihiro. Here, I'll say it once for you. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Okay. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
I guess you just need to practice.
I give up. Forget it.
Oh, it's our turn to order. Oh, do you want any pickles or peppers on your food, Michihiro?
No. No more peppers and no more pickled things.
As I was saying, most English slang words have a positive and negative connotation, regardless of their true meaning. Take, for instance, the word bad. It normally means not good. However, when we use bad as a slang term, it can mean good or awesome.
Ah, you're right. Like if your friend asks you how the concert you attended last weekend was, you can reply by saying, "Oh my gosh, dude, it was so bad," leaving the connotation that the concert was actually great. Or you could say, "So bad, I wanted to leave early," letting your friend know that the concert was awful.
Exactly.
That's so difficult. Opposite meanings. Japanese students of English must really get frustrated. I'm not sure if I could ever learn something that difficult.
I think the key to mastering slang is listening to the context. The tone of the other person's voice will probably let you know how they feel.
What if it's in writing?
Now that's a good question. I guess when I'm texting my friends, I just know what their slang means. I don't really have to think about it too much because I grew up speaking the same language as them.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Must be the same scenario as how I have to look up every Japanese line message I receive. I'm not a native Japanese speaker, so I never know what words are important and what words aren't.
Well, the more you practice, the better you'll get.
I guess you're right, but gosh, all the practicing just makes me sick. It's so bad.
English slang must be awful for non-native speakers.
I'm sure it is, but once they understand it, it sounds pretty sick.
Charlotte, do you eat bugs in England?
No way! What made you ask that?
Well, I heard Betty saying she ate butterflies the other day.
She said she ate them? That's weird. Oh, I think I know. Did she say, by chance, that she had butterflies in her stomach?
Yeah, I think that was it.
Well, that doesn't mean she actually has butterflies in her stomach. It's an idiom. It's pretty common. It just means that she's nervous.
Oh, that makes more sense. So, it didn't actually have anything to do with bugs?
No, it's just a saying. You know, when you're nervous and your stomach feels funny, like there's something moving inside it.
Ah, so she felt like she had little butterflies trapped in her stomach because she was nervous?
Yep, that's right. It's quite a funny thing to hear if you don't know what it actually means, isn't it?
Yeah, I was really confused.
Do you have any similar expressions in Japanese?
Well, when you really want something so bad, you can say, Nodo karate ga deru.
Does that mean you have a hand coming out of your mouth?
Yes, that's right.
That is so weird. What a strange image.
Now that I think about it, it is quite weird. Not something you would actually want to see in real life. Are there any other interesting English idioms you can think of? So, are there any other interesting English idioms you can think of?
Well, you can say someone is losing their touch.
Losing their touch? So, they can't feel things anymore?
Maybe originally that's what it meant. But nowadays, if you say, I'm losing my touch, it means I used to be good at something. But recently, I can't do it that well anymore. So, for example, you play basketball, right?
Yeah, that's right. So if one day I start to play worse than usual, I can say I'm losing my touch?
Yeah, that would be perfect. Oh, another good one is to stab someone in the back.
Ah, to kill someone with a knife?
Yeah, but here, to stab someone in the back means to betray someone.
To betray someone. Oh, it's the same in Japanese. To betray someone is uragiru, which would probably translate to something like cutting someone in the back.
Yeah, that sounds like stabbing someone in the back. Wow, I wonder how the English and the Japanese got to be the same.
それでは楽しい夏をお過ごしください。
Bye.